All right, y'all, welcome to my channel. I have another Buffbunny PR box to open for y'all. There is a new launch coming out that is going to be dropping on, and it is officially fall. Y'all, it is fall, and I am happy. Although it is still in the 90s in Houston, so not as happy as I could be if it were in the 80s or 70s, but it's still fall. I have a pumpkin candle burning and I have pumpkins all over my house. I don't have any pumpkins outside yet because it is too hot and they will rot if I put them outside. But yes, we have some beans to spill today about the new collection that's dropping. Excited to show y'all what I got in my PR box and do a little try on haul for y'all. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what y'all want to see in future videos and any questions y'all might have. Also, look how cute this is. It's for my Tandem Mobi and it's pink and it makes me happy and it's just super cute. I've been on the Mobi now for probably like a month, and although it's taking me some time to get used to the tubing, I will say, from the Omnipod, I so far love it. Like, for me, it's just working so much better. The algorithm is keeping me in such a better range, especially during prep, especially like allowing me to do my cardio and everything like that without going low. Like, I'm able to do 70 minutes on the stairs, which is so much, without going low. And so for me, it just is making my life so much easier. So yeah, it's going really well. But y'all, it's fall. Let's go. Let me show you what I got in my PR box, show y'all all the items, and then do a little try on haul for y'all. I wish I could eat these jelly beans. They're cute. They came in our PR box and they were like open for spilling the beans, you know, and I have no idea what flavor these are. I really want to eat them. They're Jelly Bellies. But I'm still in prep. I'm still X weeks out from my show, so I cannot eat them. So I will save them and to use them right now as decoration. But still X weeks out. Still can't tell y'all when exactly my show is, but we are getting close, y'all. We are getting close. It is becoming very, very real. I'm really enjoying Prep 2.0 with my new coach. I feel like I'm learning a lot and it's going really, really well. I had check-ins this morning, post a picture of my check-ins, but I feel like my physique is looking just a lot better than Prep 1.0, I guess. I'm just excited. I'm just excited. I obviously am tired and like hungry and everything like that, but I feel very energized and very excited. And I'm ready to do this next show. This will be my last show of 2025. I already have all my shows for 2026 planned out, which is kind of crazy. But obviously going to be staying natural, so I will be doing natural shows this year and next year, moving forward forever. Let's get into it. Why y'all are actually here to see the unboxing. Here she is. She's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Look at these cute Buffbunny cards. They came also in the PR box. They're so cute. They're little like playing cards. I love them. All right, the first set that I have, I got a little matching set. I got sports bra, headband, and shorts. Got my normal size, small in the top and also small in the bottoms. I really like this color for fall. It's like an eggplant, obviously, like the name says. But it's super cute. You can see the back, and there's like some detailing here. The Buffbunny logo right here. It does have, let's see, removable pads, which is awesome. Love that. And so here we go. That is the first item. Got the matching headband for this. You can see the logo right there, and then it has like felt right here so it won't slip from your head while you're working out. Okay, next I got the Everyday Airbrush Pocket Shorts, 7-inch, also in the eggplant. They do have pockets, which is super nice. I can clip my Mobi onto there. That's awesome. can see the little Buffbunny logo in the back. This material feels like a little less stretchy than the aggressive scrunch short, which is what I have on right now. My favorite. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. I'm obsessed with this. With these shorts, the 7-inch. You know, I've never really been a 7-inch girly, but I always used to wear like 5-inch shorts. But I love the 7-inch. I don't know. I just love it. It's perfect. It's my favorite. I love these. So there we go. Have this little set. That is my first set, and I'll try it on for y'all. Next, I have the Legacy leggings in Onyx Black. But I feel like you just can't go wrong with like black pair of leggings. So again, there's like little Buffbunny detailing right there. No pockets on these, but I will get a lot of use out of these, and super versatile. Okay, next item is the Flirty Flow Short boy shorts. I'm excited to try these. I feel like these are more for running, which I'm not really a runner girly. I'm a weightlifter girly. Actually, I hate running, literally hate it. I tried to get into it. I just could not, I couldn't do it. But this color is pink. What color is this? This is Bunny Pink. It's super cute, and they do have like these little shorts underneath as well. But excited to give these a try. No pockets on these, but they look super comfy, and I really like this color, so excited to try these. Right, next we have the Revolution Candy Sports Bra in Onyx Black and a small. And I'll show on the screen the different colorways for this collection as well. I feel like for this PR box, I picked out just like a lot of basics and neutral colors. Very versatile, a lot of blacks, a lot of like dark colors, neutrals, but you can see the back, strappy, and then the front, there's like some detailing. Again, this has removable padding in this. This is so soft. This is really cute. I like how it's like crisscross in the front. 3 more items. The next item is the full zip cloud hoodie in Onyx Black. Again, I got this in a small because it looks oversized. It's not like super heavy, but it is super soft on the outside. And I felt like, again, this was just gonna be a good basic for fall. Has Buffbunny collection on the sleeve right there. Has the zipper. And then I got the matching sweats to go with it, also in Onyx Black. I feel like the majority of stuff I ordered from this collection is Onyx Black. Small. They didn't come in like a tall option. I would have probably ordered them in a tall option, but they didn't come in that option. They have pockets, little ties, and yeah, just another kind of basic joggers, the bottom, and a little set. And then the last item, but not least, so this is the Game Changer backpack. It comes in black, bunny pink, and purple swirl print. So I ordered the bunny pink, but they accidentally sent me the black multi. So if you can see, it's obviously the Onyx Black, and then there's like some lime detailing with the zippers and the stitching. What I like about this backpack is at the very bottom, there's like a little insulated pouch right here. So like I could put my insulin in there, keep it cold while traveling. And that is just a nice option to have. I want to eat these jelly beans so bad. All right, let's do a try on haul now of all the items that I got. All right, y'all, here is the first outfit. We have the Airbrush Maraschino sports bra and the 7-inch shorts in the eggplant color. Oh, I forgot the headband. Hold on. Now we're ready. This is the whole fit with the headband. So I will say I really like these shorts. They're the 7-inch. They have the little pockets so I can stick my Tandem Mobi in here, which is awesome. Always like a nice option to have. And then the sports bra, little like V-neck right here, and then you can see the back. You can do like a little. Fabric is nylon and spandex, medium coverage and medium high support for the sports bra. And the shorts, same fabric, the nylon spandex, 7-inch inseam, and they're high rise with the side pockets. But I really, really like this color for fall. This is super cute. The eggplant with the headband. I like it. All right, let's do the next outfit. We have the Legacy leggings in the Onyx Black in a size small. I thought I was gonna need a longer size. They don't come in tall, but these actually work, so hooray. Tall girl friendly, 5'9" or 8, 5, I don't know. We're going with 5'9" now. I've decided. Moving forward. So these are ultra high rise, light to medium compression, and the fabric is nylon and spandex. And I will say, this is like so comfortable. I feel like I could either work out in this, wear these on the plane, traveling, wear these on the weekends, lounging around the house. Like they're just super, super soft and super comfy. And I feel like I will just wear these all the time, especially in like a neutral color. We love like, you know, an all black fit. Again, have my little Tandem Mobi clipped in on the side. But yeah, these are super comfy. I'm gonna wear these all the time. I'm telling y'all right now. The Revolution Candy sports bra, again, in the Onyx Black in a size small. It's super cute. You can see there's like some detailing here in the front, little crisscross, little V-neck. And then this is the back as well. This might be my go-to fall outfit. In the gym, out of the gym, running errands, all of the above. Especially with like the jacket, just throw it on. Hold on. I don't know why I'm holding this. I could just clip it on. Oh, this is comfy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my go-to outfit. If you see me around Houston, this is what I will be wearing all fall long. I love hoodies. I love hoodies when it's hot. I love hoodies when it's cold. This is super, super cute. Just nice little fit. I could just wear this all day and be very, very happy. Okay, next outfit. We're in a hurry. We're trying to get stuff done today. It's Sunday. Gotta film this, gotta edit it. Okay, the next item, the Flirty Flow Short Boy Short in the bunny pink color. These are a size small. These are true to size. These are also super comfy. Not something, like I feel like these are more for running. These are like more of the running collection. And this bra comes in the same pink color. I didn't get it, and you know what? I'm probably gonna have to get it just so it's a whole set. I'm all about the sets. I'm all about pink. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it. I'm gonna have to get it. I'm gonna get it because I really, really like this sports bra. It's super comfortable and I need it in pink. I just decided. So gonna get it. But yeah, these shorts have little pockets here, little Buffbunny detailing. It's a darker pink on the bottom and then lighter pink on the top. Little waistband, again, have my Tandem Mobi clipped in. This is the shorts from the back on a 5'9" girly. I feel like they're not super, super short. Let's see what it says. So they are high rise, built-in boy short liner, inside pockets, light compression, and the fabric is polyester and spandex. And like I said, I am gonna go ahead. I know myself. I'm gonna have to get the matching sports bra in the pink because I really, really like the sports bra. It is super, super comfortable. And I have one more outfit. The last outfit I have on the Boyfriend Cloud joggers and full zip cloud hoodie, both in Onyx Black. I will say these are super, super comfy. I'm gonna be wearing these the rest of the day after this video. I'm called a cloud and I literally feel like I'm in a cloud. So I will be keeping these on after I film this. I need to go finish my laundry. I need to meal prep. I need to get everything ready for the week and get everything ready because we are in prep and there's a lot going on. But this outfit, this might be one of my favorite. This is very, very comfortable. I will say these joggers seem to be tall friendly for a 5'9" girly. They don't come in a tall option, but they are super, super comfortable. Oh, I love this outfit. I'm so comfortable. I'm so comfortable, it should be illegal. Just saying. Thank you all for watching my PR unboxing for the next Buffbunny launch, the community collection, which launches on. Use code GLUCOSEGAINS to save 10% as well as support me and my channel. I really appreciate y'all watching my video, subscribing, liking, commenting. Let me know if y'all have any comments or questions about the sizing or anything diabetes related, prep related, Buffbunny related. Just let me know. Happy to answer any and all questions in the comments. But thank y'all for being here. I appreciate it. And if you don't already like and subscribe and follow me, please do so. Have a great week, y'all. Like literally 5 o'clock and I'm still here just drinking coffee, but it is decaf, okay? So calm down. Everybody just calm down. I can't wait until it's cold. It'll probably be like another 3 weeks in Houston.